Let's continue. Practice problem number 18. A composite solid is formed by placing a square pyramid on top of a cube. The cube has an edge length of 6 centimeters and the pyramid has a height of 9 centimeters. Find the total volume of the figure. So we're given a cube edge A 6 centimeters. The volume of the cube is 6 cube and that is 216 centimeter cube. The perimeter base area is 6 squared and the height of the pyramid is 9 centimeters. So we're given the total volume. So the pyramid has a volume of 1/3 base area times the height. Substitute now the given data. The answer is 308 centimeter squared. So, totaling the computed volumes of the two composite figures, we have 216 plus 108. The final answer is 324 centimeter cube. Number 19. A water tank is shaped like a cylinder with a radius of 4 meters and a height of 10 centimeters, topped with a hemisphere. Find the total volume of the tank. So we're given cylinder, the radius is 4, height is 10, the hemisphere radius is 4. So we are asked to determine the total volume. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r squared times height. Substitute now the given data. The answer is 160 pi. And the hemisphere volume is 2/3 pi r cubed. Substitute now the radius, you will have the answer equivalent to 128 over 3 pi. And then adding those two values, the final answer is 608 over 3, which is approximately equal to 636.7 cubic meters. Number 20. A cone of radius 3 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters is placed on top of a hemisphere with the same radius. Find the total volume of the composite figure. So we're given cone radius 3 centimeters, height 9 centimeters, hemisphere radius 3. And we are required to determine the total volume. So the cone volume is equal to uh, 1/3 area of the base, 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Substitute the given data, you have 27 pi. And then for the hemisphere volume, which is 2/3 pi r cubed, substitute the radius of the hemisphere, so you'll have 18 pi. Adding the two, the final answer is 45 pi centimeter cube. MCQ for quarter 2 measurement and geometry lesson 4 about calculating the volume of prisms, pyramids, cylinders, cones, spheres, and composite solids are as follows. Now, problem number 1, MCQ number 1. A rectangular prism has a length of 8 centimeters and with width of 5 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. What is its volume? A. 400 centimeter cube. B. 500 centimeter cube. C. 800 centimeter cube. D. 4,000 centimeter cube. Number 2. A cube has an edge of 7 centimeters. What is its volume? A. 49 centimeter cube. B. 147 centimeter cube. C. 343 centimeter cube. D. 512 cubic centimeters. Number 3. A triangular prism has a triangular base with an area of 30 centimeters squared and a height length of prism of 12 centimeter. What is its volume? A. 60 centimeter cube. B. 180 centimeter cube. C. 240 centimeter cube. D. 360 centimeter cube. Number 4. A square pyramid has a base edge of 10 meters and a height of 12 meters. What is its volume? Letter A. 200 cubic meters. B. 400 cubic meters. C. 1,200 cubic meters. D. 4,000 cubic meters. Number 5. A triangular pyramid has a triangular base area of 24 meters squared and a height of 9 meters. What is its volume? Letter A. 72 cubic meters. Letter B. 81 cubic meters. C. 108 cubic meters. D. 216 cubic meters. Number 6. A cylinder has a radius of 6 meters and a height of 15 centimeters. What is its volume? Letter A. 540 cubic centimeters. B. 270 pi cubic centimeters. C. 180 pi centimeter cube. D. 90 pi centimeter cube. Number 7. A cone has a radius of 4 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. What is its volume? Letter A. 12 pi centimeter cube. B. 36 pi centimeter cube. C. 48 pi centimeter cube. D. 144 pi centimeter cube. Number 8. A sphere has a radius of 5 meters. What is its volume? A. 105 cubic meters. B. 250 pi cubic meters. C. 523.60 pi cubic meters. D. 523.33 pi cubic meters. Number 9. A hemisphere has a radius of 7 centimeters. What is its volume? A. 343 pi cubic centimeters. B. 718.38 cubic centimeters. C. 1,147.33 pi cubic centimeters. D. 1,796 pi cubic centimeters. Number 10. A solid is composed of a cylinder with radius 3 centimeters and height 10 centimeters, topped with a cone of the same radius and height per centimeter. What is a total volume? A. 90 pi centimeter cube. B. 102 pi centimeter cube. C. 150 pi cubic centimeters. D. 180 pi cubic centimeters. Number 11. A composite figure is made of a cube at 6 centimeters and a hemisphere radius of 3 centimeters attached to one face. What is its total volume? A. 216 plus 18 pi centimeter cube. B. 216 plus 36 pi cubic centimeters. C. 216 plus 54 pi centimeter cube. D. 216 plus 72 pi cubic centimeter. Number 12. A water tank is in the shape of a cylinder, radius 4 centimeters, height 6 meters, with a hemisphere on top, radius 4 meters. What is its volume? A. 96 pi meter cube. B. 138.67 pi meter cube. C. 160 pi meter cube. D. 192 pi meter cube. Number 13. A square pyramid has a base edge of 8 centimeters and a slant height of 10 centimeters. If the vertical height is 6 centimeters, what is the volume? A. 64 centimeter cube. B. 128 centimeter cube. C. 256 centimeter cube. D. 512 centimeter cube. Number 14. A cone and a cylinder have the same base radius of 5 centimeters and the same height of 12 centimeters. The height of the cone is what fraction of the volume of the cylinder? A. 1/2. B. 1/3. C. 2/3. D. 3/4. Number 15. A hollow sphere has an outer radius of 10 centimeters and an inner radius of 88 centimeters. What is its volume? Letter A. 268 pi centimeter cube. B. 650 pi centimeter cube. Letter C. 936 pi centimeter cube. Letter D. 1952 over 3 pi centimeter cube. And the answer key for today's lesson, calculating the volume of prisms, pyramids, cylinders, cones, spheres, and composite solids is as follows, from number 1 to number 10. And then number 11 to 15. Okay now. So, and that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.